After taking its first steps into the space, humanity started to turn its gaze towards neighboring planets. While scientists initially chose Mars as their first target, they achieved most of the firsts with Venus, a planet with hellish environment contrary to its lovely name. Among these achievements, the Soviet Venera program achieved significant success. Welcome to the spaceship Earth. In this video, we will talk about the Venera program, the first successful landing on our neighbor and devilish sister planet, Venus. After learning how to travel into space, one of the most important goals set during the efforts to uncover the mysteries of our solar system was Venus. Due to its proximity to Earth, it is referred to as the sister planet, but at that time, not much was known about Venus. There were countless theories about this planet, ranging from it being a dead, flat, and motionless world to potentially harboring life in some form. To explore the truth behind these theories about Venus, the first studies began during the early days of the space race in 1961. Soviet Russia launched two Venera 1 probes in quick succession. However, one of the probes destroyed during launch, while the other came within 100,000 kilometers of Venus but failed to establish data connection. In 1962, 3 Venera probes were sent, but all were lost during the launch stages, causing significant delays in the Venera program. However, with the information obtained from these unsuccessful attempts, Venera 4 entered Venus's atmosphere just one day before its American rival Mariner 5, and gathered the first scientific data about the Venus's atmosphere. The gathered data showed that Venus was not quite as expected. Subsequent missions like Venera 5 and 6, which survived for nearly an hour in the planet's atmosphere, provided further data that revealed Venus's atmosphere was almost 26 times denser than Earth's atmosphere. Mostly composed of carbon dioxide, commonly known as a greenhouse gas, the depths of the atmosphere temperatures exceeding 380 degrees Celsius. Long story short, Venus was far from being a pleasant place despite its name. With Venera 7, Soviets achieved their goal of landing on a planet with an infernal environment. Designed like a deep-sea submarine, Venera 7 had a body made of titanium and ceramic alloy. During the descent, its parachute melted due to extreme heat, and crashed onto the surface at a speed of 60 km per hour. However, it did not completely destroy due to its thick outer shell. The vehicle transmitted data for about half an hour but eventually failed to the extreme heat and pressure. In 1972, Venera 8 successfully became the first spacecraft to achieve soft landing on Venus's surface. It operated its systems for about an hour and measured that the planet's surface could reach temperatures as high as 475 degrees Celsius, enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure was approximately 88 times that of Earth's sea level pressure. After achieving a successful landing on Venus's surface, Soviets decided to advance their accomplishments. Venera 9 and 10, weighing close to 5 tons, sent one after another. They took the first pictures of Venus's surface. The images showed light rocky land and lava structures, and were transmitted to Earth through relay satellites in orbit. After less successful missions like Venera 11 and 12, Soviets sent Venera 13 and 14 to Venus in 1981. They equipped with various scientific equipment, including special microphones to listen to the sounds of the winds and instruments to collect soil samples. Venera 13 sent back colorful photographs of the planet, while Venera 14 measured surface winds of up to 399 km per hour. Additionally, the probe seismometers discovered that Venus has an active tectonic structure. Due to the harsh conditions of surface exploration and changing trends in space race, Soviets made changes to the Venera program. The last two missions, Venera 15 and 16, made measurements only from orbit, and mapped the surface using radar imaging. With these final efforts, Venera program came to an end. Despite being referred to as a sister planet, and possibly resembling Earth a few 100 million years ago, today Venus has turned into a hellish place, and falling behind Mars in space exploration. Just as the depths of our Earth's oceans are considered the least explored areas due to extreme pressure and accessibility challenges, Venus's surface remains largely unexplored, due to its near impossible conditions for landing and survival. Apart from the knowledge gained from the Venera program, there is much more to discover. Hopefully, in the future, curious researchers will emerge to give us a chance to get to know our mysterious sister, Venus, up close. Thank you for watching Spaceship Earth. If you found our video helpful, please like and share. Subscribe to our channel to not miss out our videos about space and space technologies.